Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Saturday. I hope you guys are all having an amazing weekend. So what's on the agenda for today? I have to get this desk cleaned up. I will show you exactly what's going on with everything here. I do have a couple projects that I'm doing. But until the meantime, let me show you what's going on with the printers at the moment. On the P1S, on one of the P1Ss, I have a keyring rack that I just made. So I have to get these bad boys cleaned up as well. It's a disaster. This gets on my nerves every time I see it, but I've been pretty busy with work. On the other P1S, like I said, I have some projects that I'm doing. So this is obviously a guitar. It is a pencil holder or a pen holder that I found off Maker World. And on one of the X1 carbons, I finished up some hammerhead shark, and a great white shark body. Not only that, I want to give a big thank you to BitQ. They sent me a glacier plate, which I absolutely love. And they sent me a cryo grip plate, which I think I love this more. I'll put up here on the screen what is the difference between them, so you guys can determine what is best for you. But these plates are absolutely amazing. Look at this. No brim, no glue, nothing needed. This is the third print. Usually my little buddies, I lose a couple of them. This one, I have printed, this is my third batch of little buddies, actually fourth. I printed some bears. I printed some brown bears, some black bears, and then I did some crystal dragons. So this is the fifth time I'm using this plate. Absolutely amazing. So I'm definitely gonna pick me up a couple more of these. As for this one, the same one. This is just a little bit more smoother texture. As for this one, a little bit more rugged. But let me know in the comments what your guys' favorite grip plate is. Whether it's a different brand besides BitQ or the bamboo stuff. But all my plates are all bamboo. I do have one other BitQ. I think this is one of their original build plates. Not 100% sure. It was given to me by a friend that is no longer doing 3D printing. Sucks for him, but a gain for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything off these printers. I'm gonna jump on the computer, get something else started for all four of them. I'll get this clean up and I'll be back with you guys and let you know what the projects I'm working on. All right guys, so I finally got everything cleaned up. So what I'm doing for today is I'm gonna stop by a local small business. It's a new business that's just opened up in my area about 6 to 8 months ago. I went in there because someone told me to try them out. Had a Philly cheesesteak and was absolutely amazing. While I was there waiting for the food, he had guitars everywhere on the wall. And then looking at his counter and everything, I got to speaking with him. The guy's doing pretty good for right now. I wanted to help him decorate a little bit. He did have a pen holder that was just a cup, so I made him these two. I think I'm going to tell him to do this one as a tip jar because he had a tip jar as well. A pen holder, another pen holder. Did some keychains for him. I did a wall mount for keychains. I spoke to him, told him that I do sell 3D prints. He was open up to the idea. I told him don't worry about purchasing anything right now. I'm going to bring him some stuff. We're going to try it out and see what it brings. So these are going to be little buddies. Egg full of little buddies. Same thing, smaller version. And these are some crystal dragons. This one is a mixture. This one is two different colors. Yeah, black and orange, and then orange and black. People really love those. Made a little wall decoration for them. We're gonna try this out and see how it goes. I did tell him that I'm just gonna bring him stuff and it's up to him if he wants to sell them or not, or he can just give them out. I'm also gonna give him some business cards and hopefully he can hand them out. But I will let you guys know what's going on. I will talk to you guys later. Peace. All right, guys, good afternoon. What do I have going on the printers today? Let's check them out. I've got some cute little buddy piglets going on. Again, these cryo grip plates are absolutely amazing. Just finished up some of these cute little giraffes. Wonderful. Look at that. Not one failed print. Can't wait till I get the other ones in. Cannot wait at all. P1S made a pencil holder. Hopefully this thing comes out pretty clean. The supports come off pretty easy. Fingers crossed. I love this marble look. I use it a lot when it comes to like Greek mythology and like Roman stuff. Absolutely love it. Then I got some little buddy eagles going on. I did have one failed print. I'm not sure what happened here. My bad. I think I forgot to change the build plate in the slicer. And then print up some little buddy bins. Good morning guys. It is Wednesday. I woke up to this mess today. Absolute disaster. Good morning guys. It is Friday. Have you ever wondered if you lost power, could you still run your 3D prints? Well, I lost power for 6 hours yesterday. Didn't know it until I looked at my phone. So let's see what the repercussions are. Finally got these bad boys finished up. Again, lost power. With losing power for hours, I mean 6 to 8 hours I lost power. And look at the adhesion on that. Absolutely amazing. Same thing with this one. Losing power, this is what happened. They still sort of kind of finished, but this is a mess. Welcome guys. It is Saturday. What do we have going on today in the print farm? So on the P1S, just printed up some clips. They actually just finished. So these are like pantry clips for like chip bags, bread bags. I just printed up a bunch of them. We always go through them and we always lose them. A lot of times we drop them on the ground and the cats play with them. But I really love this marble filament. This marble finish is from Bamboo Lab. I haven't really tried anybody else's finish, but I really like theirs. The dice tower finally finished. This thing is freaking sweet and huge. Look how big this thing is. And very good adhesion, all because of the cryo grip from BitQ. Again, thank you, BitQ. I can't say it enough. All right, let's try this again, guys. I already shot this part of the clip and I forgot to hit record like a dummy. So I'm gonna go back through and do it again. So anyway, this thing came out absolutely flawless. Like, look at this thing. I found this model on Maker World. It is a dice tower. I believe I upscaled it maybe by 10%. It's either 10 or 20% is usually what I upscale things by. Didn't change any settings. So you put the dice down here, you throw it on top, it comes out 3 holes, comes down the stairs on both sides, and it comes out the front door. You do have a couple balconies that you can put dice in as well throughout around the whole model. Along with down here, pretty cool balcony here. Very strong, very sturdy. This thing is hefty. Me personally, I would like to go through and modify this some for my personal use. What I would like to do is build probably a small tray around the front part of this, just so the dice would catch inside of it. And I may do some kind of wall. What I'll do is I'll jump into Tinkercad and I'll probably do a wall on the outside, almost like a moat per se. Again, this color is absolutely beautiful. It's from Everyone. I was gifted 3 of these from God knows who. I'm hoping from Everyone. But if not, please somebody let me know. Again, thank you for who sent them to me. 20 rolls that I did not have to spend my money on. But you guys know how I do. I showcase what I love, and I really love this filament. This is actually called a black, red, gold. Very beautiful color. On this P1S, I thought I hit print before I went to work, and I did not. I sliced a file that I was gonna go ahead and print while I was at work for a couple of hours, and I forgot to hit print. Dummy me. And last but not least, on Alpha, trying to print up the ducks again. And like the other day, I lost power, and this is the only plate that came out absolutely amazing because of the cryo grip from BitQ. So again, link is in the description. Go pick some up, guys. But anyway, the reason why this paused is because I have a busted tube somewhere in here. You can hear the filament going throughout this. So right now it is paused, and I don't know if I can take this apart, replace the tubing, and still be able to print afterwards. We're gonna find out. This is definitely on me because I'm getting lazy and forgetting to clean and do maintenance on these printers. So all next week, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna tear these printers apart. I'll probably do a video on taking this one apart and one of the P1S's and going through a deep clean on it and showing you guys that. And the other two I'm just gonna do off camera because shooting all that footage for all 4 printers is a little time consuming. So hopefully with me unplugging this AMS, fixing the tubing, hitting print, it doesn't mess up anything. And then next week, all I'm gonna do is some more cleaning. As always, always having to clean. Mostly because I'm busy with work. I go in at like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, don't get out till about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Usually 12, 13-hour days. Oh, also, I picked up a few items. I'll be showing you guys next week. I gotta put them together. If you guys can guess what they are, put them in the comments below. I'll give you a hint. I was originally gonna buy them from BitQ, but I did some more researching on Amazon. I was able to find a better deal, hopefully around the same quality, not 100% sure. But I did order some more stuff from BitQ. Like I said, you go on their website, links in the description. I promise you, you will not leave without purchasing something, especially some of these cryo grip plates. Like I said, I have a few of these coming. I do have a few other items coming as well. I want to thank you guys all for watching the video, sticking around with me. I am up to about 125 subscribers now, growing pretty fast. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for everything that you do. I would not be doing this channel without you guys. If there's anything that you guys would like to see, anything you want me to do, show deeper dives into creating things, because I like to tinker things. I like to remix models myself just for my own personal use. I don't sell them. The only items that I sell are Patreons that I have from Cinderwing, Matt Meyer Makes, and a few other ones, but mostly all my models are from Cinderwing and Matt Meyer Makes. Again, I want to thank BitQ, Area One, Algo Laser, you name it, all the collaborations that I've gotten over the past couple of weeks. I could have not done it without every single one of you guys. So again, enjoy your weekend. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, print on, my friends. Peace.